OMG, Samsung actually did it. The Z Flip 7 is finally here, and this thing is insane. Say goodbye to boring phones, the Flip 7 takes folding tech to the next level. It's sleeker, smarter, and stronger than ever. First off, that hinge, super refined. Samsung's calling it their Zero Gap Flex, and it makes the phone feel like a single slab when closed. No weird bulge, just smooth. The front screen is now a massive 4 inches. You can text, use apps, even reply to emails without opening the phone. This is what we've been waiting for. Under the hood, it's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, 12 gigs of RAM, and faster storage. Oh, and battery life? A solid 20% bump, finally! Stunning cover display, premium fold feel, top-tier cameras. The Z Flip 7 isn't just a phone, it's a statement. If you're ready to flex the future, this is the one to beat. Like and subscribe for more insane tech drops.